Do you suffer from shitty lenderitis? Shitty lenderitis is a serious condition afflicting brokers with a drive for growth and a will to succeed. Ever wish you could get accurate terms and pricing back in an instant? Ever wonder what business would be like with better marketing? Are your appraisals taking forever? Do you wish you had more control over the process? How many times have you screamed out loud over poor communication? Ever said to yourself, I wonder what they're even doing over there? Are your approvals taking too long? Do you aspire to see your business grow 2 or 3 times over? Or more? Do you want more income and less expenses? Then you could be suffering from shitty lenderitis. If this is how your day regularly plays out, then you need Global Integrity Finance. Yes, Global Integrity Finance. You heard that right, Global Integrity Finance. At Global Integrity Finance, we have been in your shoes. We have been through and asked all of those same questions. That's why we created the Atlas Pricing Engine and the Zeus Loan Origination System. These web-based applications create the perfect mortgage ecosystem to alleviate all of the symptoms of shitty lenderitis. See, the solution to all of those symptoms of shitty lenderitis is simple. 3 little things: tools, control, transparency. Our mortgage ecosystem provides the right tools, puts you in control, and makes transparent the status and all loan communications. Instant accurate pricing? We created Atlas, the custom pricing engine designed for certainty and accuracy. Better marketing? Hermes CRM is the answer. Lightweight, but big on function. Automated campaigns and white-labeled marketing materials. Configurable to call, text, and email directly from the application with your VoIP and email service. Appraisal turnaround times and more control needed? Zeus is your go-to. Designed with you in mind and integrated with Atlas and Hermes, you can process and underwrite with ease. These tools are all under a secure, single sign-on site that makes the loan process transparent and gives you control. No more miscommunication or lack of communication. No more wondering what the lender is doing because you can see it or do it yourself. With Global Integrity Finance's complete solution, we put the tools you need to succeed, the ability to control and manage the process, and total transparency in your hands. We know that you are the best at what you do, and with our technology, you can become even bester at what you do. Stop shitty lenderitis in its tracks. Reach out to your Global Integrity Finance contact today for more information. Do not call Global Integrity Finance if you're incompetent or have no desire to succeed. Side effects include euphoric high, firm record numbers, unexplained free time due to reduced stresses and increased efficiencies, happier and more engaged team members, increased number of brand advocates, feelings of notoriety, and an all-around mental peace. Integrity. It's literally our middle name.